بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم آمين. وبعد. Welcome back to Tajweed 101 course. Simple step-by-step Tajweed course that enables you inshallah to understand how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. My name is Maghfira and you are watching Maghfira Education, the place to learn and know and understand how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today inshallah we're going to continue the articulation point. We reached to the articulation point of letter Kha, letter Ghain and Kha. We started the articulation point of the throat and we learned that the throat is divided into three parts. The deepest part of the throat, the middle part of the throat, and the closest part of the throat. The deepest part of the throat articulated Hamza and Ha. Middle part of the throat produces Ain and Ha, and we are going to study the closest part of the throat, which is Ghain and Kha. The closest part of the throat is called or means Adna al-Halq. And Adna al-Shay, or the least of something, is its end, And if we imagine that the throat is like a tube, start from the deepest part, so it ends near to the mouth. Okay, and that's why it's called a closer, the closest part of the throat. And it is why it's called closest part of the throat, because if you imagine that this is the throat again, and this is the nose, and this is the mouth, this part is closer to the mouth than this part, and that's why the closest part of the throat is the top part of the throat. Okay, and this produces two different letters, which are Ghain and Kha. Ghain and Kha. Ghain is the same as gargling sound, Agh, 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 Gha, Ghi, Ghu. And Kha is like a snoring sound. Okay, so Ghain and Kha are produced from the closest part of the throat. Letter Ghain, as you see here, Ghain is the same as gargling sound, and Kha is the same as snoring sound. What is the difference between both? Kha here, as you see, it is superior than Gha, Kha, as you see here. Let's see it more clear. Okay, as you see here, Ghain, Gha, Gha, Gha here, and Kha is above the Ghain articulation point. Okay, so Kha, Kha, Kha is superior than the region of Ghain. So Ghain, Gha, Gha, Gha in a lower level, and Kha, Kha, Kha is in a top superior part. Okay, so Gha, Ghi, Ghu, Agh, Kha, Khi, Khu, Agh, Kha, Khi, Khu, Agh. And the root of the tongue is the exact point where the letter Ghain and Kha are produced. So let's try to read the letters in the whole different harakat. The first one is Fatha, the second one is Kasra, the third one is Dhamma, and the fourth one is Sukoon. The same thing for Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, and Sukoon. So let's try to read them. The first one, Al-Ghaib, Ghaib, Gha, Gha, Ghaib, or Ghi, Ghi, Ghida, Ghida, Ghida. Next one is Ghu, Ghu, Ghurab, Ghu, 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 Ghurab. The same gargling sound. Ghurab. And the last one, when we have Ghain Sukoon, it will be Ighfir, Ighfir, like this. Okay, this is concerning the Ghain Sukoon. The second one with the Kha, Kha Fatha, Khalidin, Khalidin. With the Kasra, Akhi. It is not Akhi, Akhi. No, it is Akhi, Akhi. Number 3, when it has a Dhamma, Udkhulu, Udkhulu. ادخلوا. And the last one, اخترناهم like this. So غا غي غو أغ خو خي خو أخ. Okay, both the articulation point is open. There's no need to close completely the articulation point. They are open. Try to practice yourself and try to practice on this letter غين and خاء, and inshallah we'll catch you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.